Hello friends, so in this video we will be starting with a tour of a Google Cloud hands-on lab. So in this lab we will explore about the Quick Lab, and we also explore Google Cloud Console. Okay, so let's first see how to log in. Sometimes it will come this robot thing. So just solve the CAPTCHA and you will get temporary credentials which will be valid for that given time here. For example, right now I got this username and password. So this username and password is valid for 44 minutes. So now what I want to do is right click on this and copy the link address, and now from here you can open an incognito window. So I've already opened my incognito window, and now just paste that link. Yes, and all username is already filled here, so you don't need to fill it again. So just copy the password, click next, paste your password here, this password which you have just now copied, and now again click next, accept this privacy and policies, whatever terms and conditions. And now we are in the Google Cloud Console. Okay, so accept the terms and conditions and make sure your country is right. So I'm in India right now, so my country is India. So agree and continue. And let's see what's next. So in the lab fundamentals, they are telling about the interface of a quick lab. So in the left hand side we are having this timer and credentials and the project ID and everything, and on the right hand side we are having a quick navigation panel in which we can navigate through the content. For example, we can these are the headings actually. If I click on accessing the Google Cloud Console, so we can directly jump to that section. So this is about the interface, and if you see here, here is 100, like it's a score. There is no score in this lab, and you will get to know about this in the coming labs. And second thing, let's see one by one everything, so you will get to know about it. So now they are talking about accessing the Google Cloud Console. So we just started our lab, and then we went through the login process, and everything is like mentioned here what we have did right now. Sign into Google Cloud we already did, and make sure you open like you sign in with this new temporary credentials in incognito window, such that you won't have to choose between accounts, and in case you are already logged in with your personal account, so you won't be charged for any resources you do by mistake in your personal account. So in order to avoid that, always make sure to log in incognito window. So you can attempt these tests. It's not mandatory actually. Now project in Cloud Console, so let's explore here. So right now our project name is here as it's mentioned here, and project ID is also same, and project number. If you want to explore more, see from here you can get all the projects. So right now in this temporary account I'm having 5 projects. This is the main project in which we will always be working. So always make sure that you are in the correct project. For example, if I switch to other project, let's say I switch to help desk, so now I'm in the help desk project. So whatever I do right now in the Cloud Console, it will directly happen, like it will reflect in this project and not in the Quick Labs project. So always make sure you are in the correct project. So right now we are in the project and Quick Lab project, and actually this is important because Quick Lab actually monitor our whatever activity we do. Quick Lab actually monitor, and based on that they give us a score. So make sure you do all your progress in the correct project. So we have just viewed all our projects, and Now they are talking about navigation menu. So here in this navigation menu, you can see all the all the Google Cloud resources. For example, let's jump to compute section. Yeah, so let's see databases. So Google Cloud have these many databases. And if you talk about storage, so Google Cloud have file store, cloud storage, data transfer. And if you talk about serverless architecture, so Google Cloud have Cloud Run, Cloud Function. So these are all the Google Cloud services which you can access via side navigation bar. You can click on this button to toggle it. And now roles and permission, they are talking about roles and permission. So for that, what you can do is jump to IAM section. If you're not getting here easily, see here is an IAM section, and if you are unable to find it here, you can also use the search bar. So let me do it, IAM. So see, now let's go to IAM and admin, and here all our projects with roles, like who is editor, who is owner of this project, and everything is given here. We will be talking about all these in the coming labs, so no need to worry right now. This is just to know like these things exist in Google Cloud. Then we also have APIs, like I will show you here. For example, you have heard about Google Maps. So Google Map also provide an API. And what is API? If you don't know, don't worry, we will know about it in coming labs. Google Maps. Okay, let's just search about Google Maps. Directions API, I guess. So yeah, this way we can enable the API and we can use it actually. So this was all about the lab. And also I want to tell you, like in each and every lab you will have to activate your cloud shell. So in order to activate your cloud shell, let's first go to home so that you won't be confused about all this stuff. Now let's activate a cloud shell. So in order to activate a cloud shell, click on this activate cloud shell button, and it will appear here. Here you will get a command line interface right in the web, and in most of the project you will be using this. So you must like know how to activate a cloud shell, and what you can do is like you can maximize it to full screen or minimize it, or what you can do is you can just like keep it stick to the bottom so that you it won't disturb you while you are using the user interface. So this was all about it. And in each and every lab, after completing, you will get 100 out of 100 score. So when you will get 100 out of 100 score, it means your lab is completed, and then you can end your lab. So in order to end your lab, just click on this button here and submit. And then you can give your feedback here, whatever. Let me give a 5-star and submit. And yep, your lab is completed. That's all. So now what to do here, you can just simply close this tab, or if you want to continue with another lab, you can sign out. And after signing out, you can just remove this account. So remove. And now you are ready to log in with your another lab's credential and continue with another lab in the same incognito window. So thank you so much. Let's see and let's explore other labs in the coming videos.